Jason Sponzilli here with Sponzilli Landscape Group, and I'd like to welcome you to our Landscape Inspiration Series here in Towaco, New Jersey. Today, I'm going to take you around this beautiful home, front yard and back, to show you all that we've created for this wonderful client. So I'm walking down this grand driveway of all pavers, outlined by beautiful stone to kind of complement the house. And as you look at the home and you see the beautiful architecture of this house, there's really stunning landscape plantings to complement it. Things at the time of the year that we're in right now, October, one of the nicest times of the year in New Jersey, we still have beautiful blooms on hydrangeas and a variety of different pieces to really accent the house and show it off. So we're about to enter this backyard of what we consider to be one of our gems. It really turned out to be something extraordinary, something that the client gave us 100% trust for us to create a tremendous design and deliver on something that they can enjoy all seasons long and any evening, especially at this time of the year in the beautiful weather. So come with me. So as we walk down this path, it meanders to the focal point of the backyard. So along with this entire project, our client really wanted something spectacular, unique. And in doing so, came up with this concept of giving them this outdoor living area, this living room, if you will. A fireplace, an overhead pergola that filters in sunlight, water feature to give them that sound, that ambiance of just really enjoying being in the outdoor elements. And here's what we have, something that's really fun. You can envision yourself sitting here at night with a bottle of wine, maybe a cigar, whatever you fancy. This is the place to enjoy it. Let me show you now this fabulous outdoor kitchen we created. Today, the trend for homeowners by far is building outdoor kitchens to really make the outdoor living experience functional, practical, and everyday. And that's what we have here. We have this splendid kitchen in an L-shaped fashion that has all the top-of-the-line appliances, from grills to side burners, even a towel rack, refrigeration, trash door, and a sink. Everything that they need to do can be done out here. Walk out your back door, open the door, and come outside to a living space. We give clients options in construction, building outdoor kitchens, and the same with fireplaces and any other outdoor element. We give them two choices mainly. One, a cinder block construction with a veneer, or a steel frame construction in the same fashion that we did the fireplace over there. Here you have a steel frame construction where it sits on a concrete bed so that it will not move or shift over time. Even though it's set on a paver base where the pavers will move slightly, really not to the eye, but will move over time, the concrete base allows for this to stay permanent. In my opinion, no project is complete without landscape lighting. It's nearly dusk, lights have turned on, and this backyard is coming to life. All the details, all the ornamental trees, the walkway, the water feature, the kitchen, everything's illuminated properly and with elegance.